This is just to show you my last prototype for fat processing at the time of making emulsified fat. I have made 3 sets of different hole sizes for reducing the size of the fat. One is a 1.2 millimeter, another one is a 1.4 millimeter, and another one is of 2.4 millimeter in the inside. So it's just a double luer lock system on both sides, and it's applied just as a standard luer lock device. The interesting thing about this system is the way it's made. The design I have made myself with free available resources on the web in terms of the pre-made structures that I have modified with a free software. Okay, the material that I've used for all the pieces is PA12, is a kind of biocompatible thermal-resistant nylon, and is printed on SLS laser sinterization system, and this is the way it works. These are just standard silicone ring filters made of stainless steel in the inside of a 0.8 millimeter hole, and then just apply this other part like this in front, and this is the way it works. Simply, it's very small and it's very handy, and I like it very much. The most difficult part of this design has been the anti-leakage system, which made me produce few prototypes, and at the end I have made this little ring here inside, which actually produces very nicely the anti-leakage system with the silicone on the other side. Okay, this is used normally, or could be used eventually, for small amounts of fat. And then I have made another prototype, which is a larger one, is this one. This one is comes from another design, which is a fat harvesting prototype that I've made in the past, which is this one. This is the original fat harvesting device that is applied to the syringe like this. A new silicone ring is applied inside for stancability again, and then this one is applied here. Then this is locked in here to produce a vacuum, and a host is put on this hole, and the patient's host is applied on this one. Fat is accumulated on the syringe, and from the syringe you can transfer it straight to the patient, or just transfer to another syringe for lipofilling or any other procedure that is needed. So from this device, as I was saying, I modified it and I obtained this one. This one is slightly different. I have already also made this mesh on PA12 for prototyping, which is applied there with the silicone ring that I have used from the other side and put now here. And this is just applied on a half turn like this, and this is perfectly anti-leakage. Again, this ring has made it all. About that, I also had problems with that, and at the end I got this final prototype that I think would be the final one. And that's it. Thank you very much.